Hey guys, if you are also getting the 403 forbidden error, try the simple step to fix it and get it back to normal. First, open your browser and go to Settings. Click on Privacy and Security, then select Delete Browsing Data. Now choose only browsing history and cached image and files. Delete the data, close the browser completely, reopen it and check it again. If it still doesn't work, move to the next step. Now open Windows Settings. Click on Network and Internet, and on the left side, select Proxy. Disable all proxy settings from here and click on VPN tab. Make sure all the VPN connections are turned off. Now test the website once more. If it still doesn't work, check your antivirus. Sometimes an antivirus or anti-malware can block or modify web traffic, which causes a 403 forbidden error. So temporarily disable the antivirus web protection to test the website. If the site opens, add the website link to the whitelist or exception list. Also remove or disable any antivirus browser extension if needed. That's it. Stay safe.